Experiencing volume control problems with your Optimum remote is a common frustration that affects many cable customers. These issues have become more frequent with newer smart TVs and updated cable box firmware. The most common issues include complete volume unresponsiveness across all devices, intermittent volume control that works sporadically, and device-specific failures where volume works on the cable box but not on TV speakers. Understanding the root causes is essential for effective troubleshooting. These problems typically stem from three main sources. The root causes include incorrect remote programming with wrong device codes, HDMI CEC conflicts between devices trying to control audio, and audio routing problems where signals get confused between the cable box, TV, and external audio devices. Let's start with basic troubleshooting steps that resolve most volume control issues. First, try a power cycle method. Unplug your cable box for 30 seconds, remove the remote batteries for 60 seconds, then reconnect the cable box and wait for it to fully boot before reinserting the batteries and testing the volume. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, you'll need to manually program your remote with the correct device codes for your TV. For Altus One remotes, press and hold the CBL and OK buttons simultaneously until the LED blinks twice. Then enter your TV's 4-digit code. Press volume up to test, and the LED should blink twice to confirm success. Here are the most common device codes for popular TV brands that work with Optimum remotes. Common codes for popular TV brands include Samsung with code 0060, 0702, 0812, and 1060. LG uses 0117, 0442, 0700, and 1423. Sony typically uses 0080, 0111, and 0834. For TCL TVs, try 756, 2414, 2434, or 3183. After entering the correct code for your TV brand, test the volume control to ensure it's working properly. If the first code doesn't work, try the next one in the list until you find the right match for your specific TV model. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Optimum remote volume issues, advanced configuration settings can provide the solution. Let's explore the cable box audio settings that control how your system handles sound. The most critical setting is matching your audio output to your connection type. If you're using an HDMI connection, select HDMI or Auto. For optical connections, choose Digital Audio Out. HDMI CEC technology enables seamless communication between your devices. When properly configured, it allows your Optimum remote to control multiple devices through a single HDMI connection. To enable HDMI CEC, you need to activate it on both your TV and cable box. On your TV, look for settings called AnyNet Plus, Bravia Sync, or HDMI Control, depending on your TV brand. Modern smart TVs and streaming services introduce new complexities. App-specific volume levels, Dolby Atmos compatibility issues, and automatic firmware updates can all disrupt your carefully configured volume control settings. Prevention is key to avoiding future volume control issues. Establish a regular maintenance schedule that includes monthly volume testing, quarterly firmware checks, and verification after any TV updates. Environmental factors also play a crucial role in remote performance. Maintain a clear line of sight between your remote and devices, keep IR sensors clean and unobstructed, and document your working settings for future reference.